Hello, future scientists. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of technology. We're about to explore something truly amazing, something that's changing the world as we know it. Today, we're diving into artificial intelligence. We'll unravel its mysteries and discover its incredible potential. This is a field that's rapidly evolving, and it's shaping the future of everything from medicine to transportation. AI for short. It's a term you've probably heard a lot, but what does it really mean? Let's break it down and make it easy to understand. Don't worry, it's not about evil robots taking over the world. Forget those scary movie scenarios. It's about teaching computers to learn and think for themselves. We're giving them the ability to analyze information, make decisions, and even solve problems. And solve problems, just like us. Think of it as giving computers a brain boost, allowing them to tackle challenges that were once only possible for humans. Imagine AI as a super smart puppy, a furry friend with an incredible ability to learn and adapt. You teach it with examples, showing it what's right and wrong, just like training a pet, and it learns to recognize patterns. It starts to see connections and make predictions based on the information you've given it. AI is already helping us tackle big challenges, making a real difference in the world around us. From healthcare, where it's helping doctors diagnose diseases and develop new treatments, to climate change, where it's helping us understand and address the effects of a warming planet. You've probably used AI today, without even realizing it. It's become so integrated into our daily lives. Like when your phone suggests a song based on your listening history, or answers your questions with a helpful voice assistant. It's all powered by AI. It's about building tools that can see, allowing computers to identify objects and understand images, hear, processing sounds and understanding spoken language, and understand the world around them, just like we do. Our mission in this series is to demystify AI and make it accessible to everyone. Break down what AI is, explaining the core concepts in a simple and engaging way, how it learns, exploring the different methods and techniques that power AI systems, and where you'll find it in daily life, showcasing the many ways AI is already impacting our world. By the end, you'll see how AI is a powerful tool for building a smarter, better future, a future where technology helps us solve some of the world's biggest problems. Ready? Let's get started. Prepare to be amazed by the incredible world of artificial intelligence. So, what is AI really? It's a term we hear thrown around a lot these days, often associated with futuristic visions of robots and self-aware computers. But the reality of AI, at least for now, is a bit more grounded, a bit more practical. It's a branch of computer science, a field dedicated to creating systems that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. It's focused on making machines smart, not necessarily in the way we humans are smart, but smart in their own way, capable of automating processes and solving complex problems, able to learn, to adapt, to improve their performance over time without explicit programming for every single scenario. This learning aspect is crucial to what makes AI so powerful, understand, and make decisions. It's about giving machines the ability to analyze information, identify patterns, and choose the best course of action based on that analysis. Think of playing a video game against the computer. That's AI reacting to your moves, not just following a script. The computer is constantly assessing the game state, predicting your next move, and adjusting its strategy accordingly. It's a dynamic and responsive system. Or when Netflix suggests your next binge, it's AI analyzing your preferences. It's looking at what you've watched before, what you've rated highly, and what other users with similar tastes have enjoyed. This allows it to provide personalized recommendations that are more likely to appeal to you. Today's AI is called narrow AI, or sometimes weak AI. It's great at one thing, like playing chess, often exceeding human capabilities in that specific domain, or recognizing faces with incredible accuracy and speed, but not both. It can't play chess and recognize faces simultaneously or understand the nuances of human conversation. Its intelligence is limited to a very specific task. Don't picture a walking, talking robot capable of independent thought and action. That's more in the realm of general AI, which is still largely theoretical. Picture lots of specialized systems, each designed for a particular purpose, each solving a specific problem, from identifying spam emails to predicting traffic patterns. AI helps doctors spot diseases by analyzing medical images and identifying subtle anomalies that might be missed by the human eye. Helps farmers save water by monitoring soil conditions and weather patterns and adjusting irrigation schedules accordingly. And translates languages on your phone, allowing you to communicate with people from all over the world. It's a toolkit of smart systems, a collection of algorithms and technologies that can be applied to a wide range of problems, each extending our abilities, augmenting our intelligence, and making us more efficient and effective. The goal isn't to replace us, to create machines that are superior to humans in every way, but to help us do more, to free us from mundane tasks, and to allow us to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors. AI is about making life easier, more convenient, and more enjoyable, safer, and more efficient, by automating dangerous tasks and optimizing complex processes. It's not magic, just clever programming and lots of data. The more data an AI system has, the better it can learn and the more accurate its predictions become. So, when you hear AI, think smart tools, not sci-fi robots. Think of the AI that powers your smartphone, your email spam filter, or your online shopping recommendations. That's the real brainy idea. It's about using technology to solve problems and improve our lives in practical and meaningful ways. Let's see how AI actually learns. We'll delve into the fascinating world of machine learning and explore the different techniques that allow AI systems to acquire knowledge and improve their performance over time. How does AI learn? The secret is machine learning. Instead of strict instructions, we give AI tons of examples like thousands of dog photos and let it figure out the rules. First, it needs data. The more diverse, the better. Then comes training. The AI looks for patterns, makes guesses, and gets corrected when it's wrong. Over time, it gets better just like you do with practice. Finally, we test it with new data to see if it can make accurate predictions. This cycle data training prediction powers everything from voice assistants to weather forecasts. The more it learns, the smarter it gets. That's the recipe behind modern AI. Now, let's meet the different types of AI. AI, or artificial intelligence, isn't just one thing. It's a broad field encompassing different approaches and capabilities. To understand AI, it's helpful to break it down into a few main types, each with its own strengths and limitations. We can categorize AI based on both its abilities and how it functions. First, there's narrow AI, also known as weak AI. This is the type of AI that dominates our world today. It's designed to perform a specific task exceptionally well. It's a specialist, great at one task, excelling within a very limited scope. Think of it as a highly skilled tool, perfectly crafted for a particular job. Examples include AI systems like playing chess or driving a car. These systems are incredibly proficient within their defined parameters, but they lack the ability to generalize their knowledge to other areas. Next is artificial general intelligence, or AGI. This is where things get really interesting. This would be a machine that can learn and solve any problem, much like a human being. It would possess the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. AGI would have cognitive abilities similar to a human. We're not there yet. Creating AGI is one of the biggest challenges in the field of AI research. Beyond that is artificial superintelligence, a hypothetical level of AI. This level of AI would be smarter than any human. It would surpass human intelligence in every aspect, including creativity, problem-solving, and general wisdom. That's still science fiction. We also classify AI by how it works, by the way it processes information and interacts with the world. This gives us another way to understand the different types of AI systems. Reactive machines just respond to the present, reacting to stimuli in real time without storing past experiences. A classic example is a chess computer. It analyzes the current board state and makes its next move based solely on that information. Limited memory AI, like self-driving cars, is a bit more sophisticated. It uses recent data to make decisions, remembering past events to inform its current actions. This allows for more complex and nuanced behavior. These types are already making a real impact, transforming industries and shaping our daily lives in profound ways. So, today's AI is powerful, but focused. It excels at specific tasks, driving innovation in countless fields. The future? Even more possibilities. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more groundbreaking applications and capabilities to emerge. Let's see where you're already using AI in your everyday life, often without even realizing it. You might be surprised. AI is more pervasive than you think. You use AI every day, often without noticing. Unlock your phone with your face, that's AI. Search engines, predictive text, and spam filters all use AI to make life easier. Streaming services suggest shows based on your habits. AI at work. Social media feeds are curated by AI, learning what you like and showing you more. Navigation apps use AI to find the fastest route. Online shopping uses AI to spot fraud and recommend products. From homework help to online safety, AI is everywhere. It's your silent digital partner. AI's power depends on accuracy, how often it gets things right. For fun tasks, 99% accuracy is great, but for self-driving cars or medical diagnoses, even 1% error can be dangerous. Accuracy depends on the data AI learns from. If the data is biased, the AI will be too. That's why fairness and reliability matter. We must test AI for weaknesses and bias and keep humans in the loop for big decisions. Building trustworthy AI is both a technical and ethical challenge. The goal systems that are accurate, fair, and safe for everyone. That's how we build trust in AI. How do we make AI better? By giving it more and better data and by improving its algorithms. Diverse, high-quality data helps AI learn fairly and accurately. Researchers invent new models to help AI learn faster and smarter. Explainable AI lets us understand its decisions, crucial for trust. Human feedback is key. When AI makes mistakes, people correct it and it learns. This teamwork, humans and machines, refines AI over time. Rigorous testing finds weak spots before real-world use. Even after launch, we keep monitoring and updating AI. It's a cycle: learn, test, improve, repeat. That's how AI keeps getting smarter. With great power comes big questions. AI ethics. What happens to jobs as AI automates more tasks? We'll need to help people learn new skills. AI needs lots of data. So how do we protect privacy? Who's responsible if an AI makes a mistake? We need clear rules and accountability. Fairness, privacy, and safety must be built into AI from the start. It's not just for scientists. Everyone should be part of the conversation. By working together, we can guide AI to benefit all of humanity. Ethics is everyone's job. The future of AI is bright and you're part of it. Soon AI will help doctors personalize medicine, scientists fight climate change, and teachers adapt to every student. AI can make cities smarter, agriculture more efficient, and education more accessible. But challenges remain: privacy, bias, and jobs. That's where you come in. By learning, questioning, and creating, you can help shape AI's future. Be curious. Learn to code. Build something new. AI is a tool for solving big problems and making a difference. It's not just about technology, it's about creativity and responsibility. Let's use AI wisely, for good. The future is in your hands. Now that's science, let's make it amazing.